Let me show you how to install WordPress on CPanel and Direct Admin. First, let's start with CPanel. We will start. Okay, just input your username and password here. Okay, we will first add a subdomain so we can test WordPress on there. Let me go to my. Let me first check if this folder is working properly. Create new file. Okay, so now we have set our domain, wordpress.miohost.com, on which we will install the WordPress. Just let me delete this test file. It was just for testing the subdomain. The subdomain is now working perfectly. Okay, first go to the WordPress, download. Here we go. Let's download the latest WordPress. Okay, it's version 6.2. Downloading. Okay, here it is downloading. Now let me go to the file manager. Okay, it's downloaded and we're going to upload here. Go to the file, sorry, not new file, upload. From here we'll select the file. This is one we have now just downloaded from the net. Okay, it's completed. Let's first extract it. This is the WordPress folder. Let's move it to the let's move all the files into the main directory. Move, and here we go. Move files, go up. So now all the files are in the main subdomain. Let's delete this one, we don't need it, and this zip file also. Okay, so when we just now press WordPress subdomain, it will show the installation page. Just select your language and continue. Now the difficult step for newbies would be to set up a database. In order to set up a database, let's go to our main control panel once again. From here, go to database, MySQL databases, and create a new database. Okay, we created the database. We will also create a new user for it. It's taking a while. Does it take that much? MySQL databases, it seems like a bit stuck. Okay, it's created with no data. Let's create a user, WP. Well, let's name it WP user, and set some password to it. Okay, create user. Okay, user created. Remember, you have to add the user into the database before allowing it to work on the database. So let us select our WP user and let's select our newly created database. You have to add it and grant him all the privileges. Done. We have done on the front end part. Let's go to the setup part. Database name, we can simply copy here. This is our new database. Okay, username, we can copy it from our users. Set the password. And leave the rest of them as it is. Now submit. If there is an error, it will be shown here. Otherwise, if everything is fine, it will show alright Sparky. Run the installation. Site title, you can name it my anything. Done. You can directly log in to the admin panel, or you can just go to the my new website. That is set up on this wordpress.meos.com. Look, it's the new WordPress website. Simple. Now if you log into the admin dashboard, here's the admin dashboard. From going to the themes appearance, you can set a new theme. Here are the themes that come by default with the WordPress. You can add new themes to all, etc. In the next video I will show you how to install it on the direct admin and how to install it using Softaculous, which is way much easier than creating manually. And here are the scripts that are available with Softaculous apps installer. You can directly install WordPress without going to all the hassle of downloading and uploading to the files. You just input details, but it will come into the next video. Thank you.